So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two cordless electric spin scrubbing tools. So both of these are great for cleaning showers. You don't have to bend over. They're rechargeable. I'm going to show you the difference. Here I've got the LABIGO, and here I've got the 8-in-1. This is the YKYI. So the first thing is, both of them are cordless. They have built-in batteries. You turn them on, and then you can use the handles and do your scrubbing with it. That's a very nice feature. That's what both of them will do. This one here, I turn it on, and again, I can scrub with it. It's got a lot of scrubbing action. Now, here's where the differences start to come into place. The first one is how you charge them. This one, I actually like. It takes USB-C. Now, they only give you a cable, but you can use a standard power supply and plug it in and charge it with USB-C. Over here, you have your own power supply that you have to plug it in with. With this one, you've got to use this power adapter. You're going to plug this in. Up here, you've got this port here. This is where you're going to plug it in. There's a light there to let you know when it's fully charged. So that's the charging differences. Okay, so probably the next biggest difference is this one here, the 8-in-1. You can disconnect the handle, put this cap on it, and now you've got this handheld. It's got nice gripper right here. You've got this handheld scrubbing tool. And it has 3 modes of operations. We got that, medium, and high. And I can turn it off. We got a little display here. It's a little hard to read, but it does tell us the battery percentage. So that's a kind of a neat feature. With this one, the battery is up here. There's electrical connection. Everything has to be assembled for this to work. Now I can extend it and retract it, but I cannot use just a head. Now both of them are a fixed angle. But again, this one, the battery is up here. You know, it's a little bit bigger up here. This one, you gotta take the cap off. You gotta insert this handle. You know, it's a little bit different. It's just a skinny handle. I can extend it. So let's see which one extends the farthest. Okay, so there is another difference. This one extends a lot farther, the 8-in-1. Wow, let's measure that. So this one is about 43. The bigger one, the 8-in-1, is right at 50. That can be important. If you don't want to lean over and clean something, this is going to give you a little bit more flexibility with that. Now you get a lot more attachments with this 8-in-1. Over here, you get the standard attachments. You get this one, which I really do like. They both just pop on and off really easy. This one, you're going to line up these little ears. Just line it up, they pop on. You get the flat one. This is with corners, a small flat. This is a hook. You're going to hook this right here and then put this on a towel rack. That's how you hang it and charge it with this one. Over here, they do give you a nice metal hanger with 2-sided tape. You can put this on the wall and you can put the rod in there, and there's a hook there. I like that this one comes with a bag. You wouldn't think that would be that big a deal, but I like this bag. It's got holes in it. If your tools are wet, you can put them in here. They're going to dry. But you get the standard attachments, the flat, this one, the corner one. But you get this piece that has the Velcro. And that's what these pieces are. They all have Velcro on the back. And I can put these on here. I can change these out and put these on there individually. So that's a nice feature with the 8-in-1. Let's go see how they do in a bathtub. Okay, so first let's try this one. Again, I like to extend it so that I don't have to reach over. I just simply turn it on. There's low, medium, and high. Again, works really well. Get it wet. These actually do a really good job of cleaning. I like now that I can clean and I don't have to bend over. That's a huge improvement. And it's very powerful. Okay, so let's try this one out. Again, 1 speed, you're gonna turn it on, get it wet. It also is very powerful. I can clean. I've got it extended all the way. I really like that I just don't have to bend over. I got a light here that shows me that I've got good charge. It's ready to go. Okay, so you may have seen these are all over TikTok. This is not a joke. These things actually work. I bought one of these last year. Which I'm going to do another comparison with it on. I like when the head can tilt to a 90-degree angle or go straight. These are both fixed, but they do sell a lot of these. But again, these actually really work. These are great for cleaning tile in a shower that has like tile and the grout and all that. It just keeps you from bending over or getting down on your hands and knees and cleaning it. I use these and I think they really work. Now, I bought one last year, which I'm going to do a comparison, but these two are just, I think these just came out and they've been showing up on TikTok a lot. Very versatile. Obviously, they're both the same price, $50. This one, you get so much more. I'm a little on the fence. I do like this. You know, you'd have to kind of put the handle on it. I don't know how long that's going to last. Where this one is just, these are nice solid connections. It's kind of just always there, ready to go. But I do like being able to charge this one with a USB-C because I've already lost, so my old one takes the same adapter as this. I've already lost that one. So I hate when they have a proprietary charging adapter because you can always lose it and then you're out. Where this one, I'm always going to have a USB-C cable that I can charge it with. Am I going to use these Velcro pads? Probably not, maybe. I'd mainly use these scrubbing brushes, mainly this one and this one for doing corners and this one. Again, great presence, great things to help people that have, you know, lower back, or if you're just wanting to prevent bending over. These things are a must. They are not a joke. I absolutely love them. So I hope this video helps. If you could, give it a thumbs up underneath the video. I will put links to both of these right underneath the show description notes. If you click on the words "see more," you'll see them in the show description notes. So again, really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.